in addition to the delivery, we had a workshop in September where we did content production, delivery, and protection. Obviously, a lot of our work is about delivery. We invited people who were about production. But inside our delivery, there's also another added element to just delivery as in transmission. More and more you can trade transmission for storage. And again, with the networking capabilities that we have and the network coding that we do, we can improve storage in a great way. There's predictions that the amount of storage that will be needed, especially with video-rich environments, is going to quadruple by 2020. If you think of the amount of energy that is needed to maintain all these things there, it's huge. So if you find new ways of storing the information to reduce on that storage, and we have a student that is working on that right now and has found incredible new results that reduces the energy by 70%, then you can actually build this system that is going to store a lot of information but with much less resources. So you save a lot and you become way more, energy efficient. So I think what is cool about what we're doing is we have the engagement of the people through the communal viewing and the social aspects. We have the storage that puts that content in the right way, in the right place, and where people can access it. We have a lot of the dissemination that goes through it. We're working with people who are redesigning the internet. So essentially what I find is amazing, but what we do now is we have the social connectivity that is driving the network connectivity, and even more into the elements of the networking that are going to make the system much better. There are aspects to storage that are inherent to the way storage is done. If we all want to have access to a file that is stored, what we don't want to have, again in terms of quality of experience, is being blocked. So a lot of the waste in storage right now is to reduce the blocking probability. So you get to have multiple and multiple copies. If you store the information with some of the techniques we've been developing, you do not need that many replication with the same blocking probability. So the information itself, we don't touch it. It is most likely protected with some kind of encryption and everything. But even through that, you will need a large number of copies to prevent the content from being blocked.